प्रधानमंत्री महोदय जी ने नया शिक्षा मंत्री चुना। एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को इस पद पर आसीन किया जिसने एक गर्भवती महिला के बलात्कारियों की रिहाई पर अपनी सहमति व्यक्त की, खुशी जताई।
तो पहले ऑथेंटिकेट करने कहिए सर, ऑथेंटिकेट करेंगे उसके बाद वो आगे बढ़ेंगे, ऐसे नहीं होगा। पहले ऑथेंटिकेट करने दो।
तो अगर ऑथेंटिकेट करने की बात है हमारे नए एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर जी, तो आप शायद भूल गए कि कैमरा में जो चीज़ एक बार रिकॉर्ड हो जाए वो कभी मिटाई नहीं जा सकती। तो लीजिए मैं आपको ऑथेंटिकेट कर देता हूँ, ये वाले न्यूज़ आर्टिकल सुनिए आप।
Heard Prahlad Joshi, I hope you were able to hear him, and he said that there is nothing wrong in the release of the convicts.
लेकर गुजरात सरकार के फैसले को केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रहलाद जोशी ने सही ठहराया है। केंद्रीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री प्रहलाद जोशी ने कहा कि मुझे इसमें कुछ भी गलत नहीं लगता।
प्रहलाद जोशी केंद्रीय कोयला, खान और संसदीय कार्य मंत्री, उन्होंने कहा है कि बिल्किस बानो का बलात्कार करने वाले 11 दोषियों को माफी कानूनी प्रावधान के तहत ही दी गई है।
It has turned out that it was the center that is, which opposition has raised, that the center also cleared the release of these Bilkis rapists in the, in the case that just came out. So how would you defend that? Home Ministry personally cleared it.
No, that is, see, after when having, being in prison for some time, there is a provision for that. Accordingly, as per the law, it is done. And there are some jurists in that. It is not that government alone has taken decision.
But isn't it such a heinous crime? People are saying, how can you release people who've been convicted of gang rape, murder?
After having been in the prison for quite some time, if their behavior there are so many incidents, I don't want to go into detail that.
But do you personally feel it was okay that they were released?
I have said no. When the government and the concerned people have taken decision, I don't want to make any comment on that, and I don't find anything wrong in that because it is done as per the process of the law.
आप इसको डिफेंड करेंगे? ऐसे इतना बड़ा कांड हो गया।